In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page to a new one. So if the name that you are using on your Facebook and you don't want to use that name again, I'm going to show you how you can be able to change that name on your Facebook page to a new one. So make sure you watch this video to the end to be able to know the step-by-step on how to change your Facebook page name to a new one. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different ways on how you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. And if you also got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. So go to your Facebook profile, then you tap on your profile picture to take you to this interface. Then go and select that page that you want to change the name. So I'm going to switch to the page that I want to change the name. So once you have switched to the page that you want to change the name, then the next thing you need to do is you click on the profile picture of that your page to bring it to this interface. Then you click on settings, so you can see setting here, this icon. So this icon here is the setting, so you click on it to bring it to this interface. So you scroll down, then you click on page setup. So you click on page setup to bring it to this interface, so you can see name. So you click on name, then to bring you to this interface, so you click on that your name. Once you click on it, then you can change the name that you want to use. So you can remove this name that is here, then you can type in and enter the new name that you want to use. So once you are done typing the name that you want to use, then you click on review change. So it will bring you to this interface. So you say review name change. If you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. We may let your page followers know that the name was updated. So you can see your current page name that you are using, then the new name that you want to change to. So if you are okay with everything, then you click on submit for approval. If anything is wrong, they will also show you here your Facebook page require attention. The page name you submitted doesn't follow Facebook page name guideline. So I'm going to correct it. Then I think I used a capital letter through, that is why they did not approve the name. So I'll click on submit again to see if they will accept this one. Submit for approval. So you see now this one was approved. So let me go back. So let me refresh to see if the effect has taken place immediately or it's going to take some days. So you can see now the name has already changed. The effect has taken place immediately. So you can see the name now. So this is how you can be able to change your Facebook page in less than 3 minutes. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. Also help me to share this video so that others will see this video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification.